Hi, this is MO Beef, and I'm making unboxing for some TNA Impact DVDs, one night only DVDs. First one is TNA Impact, one night only, November 2016. Here's the front, the side, the back. Let's open it up and see what the condition is. Here's the front. Here's the back. No scratches. That's that one. Impact. TNA Impact, one night only, December 2016. Here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the back. Let's open it up and see what the condition of the disc is. All of these DVDs that I'm doing, opening, are supposed to be brand new in package. This is the front. Here's the back, no scratches. That's that one. Then we got TNA Impact, one night only, August the 29th, 2016. Here's the front, the side, the back. Let's open it up and see what the condition is. Here's the front of the disc. Here's the back of the disc. No scratches. And it has been the next 3 night 1 night onlys. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.